Hi students, welcome back to the social science online class. So today we are going to learn one new lesson, that is unit 1, equality, from civics. Let's see the introduction, students. Nature has made man unequal in color, height, talent, physical strength, etc. And the natural inequalities can never be rectified. So students, if you are seeing different kind of persons means, you can get the idea that is every person is not in same color, right? And also not in same height, and the talent and the physical strength. So their talent will be, some persons will be a topper, good in education, and some persons good in business, and some persons very good in sports. So their talent is different. Some persons are in the color wise, some persons white, and some persons black. So color different, and the height also different, and their physical strength, about their strength also very different, right? So these these natural inequalities, right, cannot be rectified. So this is a natural thing, we can't rectify it. If you looking, even the twins also not in their, not similar in their strength or ability. So they are also very different in their abilities, okay? But the man-made inequalities, so if you consider man-made inequalities on the basis of caste, money, religion, so in these things can be rectified. We can rectify the in these of money, religion, caste, okay? But the natural thing we can't rectify it. But in the universally, it is if normally universally accepted that the people different in their capacity and the ability, attitude, and etc. But at the same time, they have to, we need to accept every person should give the equal opportunities, okay? Equal opportunities to develop their skills and do their works. So we need to accept. So that is a universal concept, okay? So man-made inequalities on the basis of caste, money, religion, etc. can be rectified. We can correct that. We can solve it. That is actually curable, okay? So another thing, we need to give equal opportunities for the development of their skills and talents, okay? Now next we'll see the definition of what is equality. Equality is ensuring individuals or groups that are not treated differently or less favorably on the basis of specific protected characteristic, including areas of race, gender, disability, religion or belief, sexual orientation, and age. So equalities make sure it's conforming if if it is individuals or groups that are not treated differently, or not to see any partiality or discrimination, okay? So we need to see every human beings as a person who whatever they want, they have equal rights to do, okay? We can't criticize, or we can't discriminate, include their about their inner race or gender or disability or region or brief, sexual orientation, and age, okay? So the universe, in the universe, you have to give the equal rights to do whatever they want. So according to Professor Lasky, equality does not mean identity of treatment, the sameness of reward. So it means first of all, absence of social privilege, and the second, it means that adequate opportunities are laid upon to all. So adequate is the meaning of sufficient. Equality does not mean identify of treatment. So need to give equal treatment, okay. And the second thing is need to give the enough opportunities to do their skills, to develop their skills, okay. Next we'll see importance of equality. So significance of equality. So what is the importance? We'll see. Equality is a powerful moral. Moral means the honest or that high-minded, right-minded principle, okay. And the political ideal. Political means governmental ideal that has inspired and guided human society for many centuries. So equality is a powerful moral and political ideal, okay. The concept of equality invokes the idea that all human beings have equal worth regardless of their caste, color, gender, race or nationality. So they all have, the humans all have the equal worth. Apart from that, their caste, for after everything, their caste, color, gender, race or nationality, they have equal right. We can't see these things, man-made things. We have to see their, as a person, need to give the equal worth, okay. And also the democratic ideals such as liberty, what is the meaning of liberty? That is independence, okay, freedom, or the equality and etc. are the meaningful and effective only when they are implemented with justice. So justice is very important. If you have justice only, you can equally give the rights to do the persons, right? So that is also very, very important, okay. What are the ideals or needed for that effective things? That is liberty and equality, okay. Let's see the types of equality. So equality is classified into 4 types: social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality. What are they, students? Social equality, civil equality, political equality, gender equality. First we'll see what is social equality. So social equality means that all citizens are entitled to enjoy equal status in society. So entitled means make eligible, okay, authorize or permit to enjoy equal status in society, okay. And there should not be any discrimination of caste, creed, color and race. There is no discrimination, though there is not be any partiality thing, okay. Discrimination means the partiality, unfairness things, there are favoritism things, okay. And all should have equal opportunity to develop their personality and to complete goals. So everybody have the equal opportunity to develop their personality, okay, getting skills for their further future development, okay. Next, civil equality. So we'll see what is civil equality. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens. There should not be any discrimination of superior or inferior, the rich or the poor, caste or creed. So the all human beings have the equal equality. Civilism means the rights to do, okay, whatever they want. Then so civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens, okay. There should not any partiality. If it is superior or inferior means lower in case, okay. Superior means they are the upper status, okay. Inferior means lower in status. So there is no status thing, and there is no rich or poor. There is no cost. So everybody have the equality, the equal civil equality, okay. Civil is something, okay. If, civil rights to do, okay. So that's all about the today class, students. Thank you.